Perseverance is the unwavering determination to continue moving forward, even when the path ahead seems insurmountable. In moments of darkness, when hope feels distant and challenges loom large, it is the strength within that guides us onward. The atmosphere is heavy, illuminated only by faint, slow-moving light, reflecting the emotional intensity of the journey. Each setback becomes a testament to resilience, and every obstacle is an opportunity to prove that giving up is never an option. Through powerful emotions and steadfast resolve, the theme of perseverance reminds us that true victory lies in refusing to surrender, no matter how overwhelming the odds may appear. True love and loyalty often serve as profound sources of strength, enabling individuals to withstand and triumph over life's most difficult challenges. In this story, we encounter mature characters whose experiences and emotions are rendered with striking visual beauty. Their romantic connections are portrayed with a youthful vibrancy, yet each moment carries a sense of depth and sincerity. Through their interactions, we see how genuine affection and steadfast commitment can inspire hope and resilience. These themes remind us that enduring bonds have the power to heal and uplift, even in the face of adversity. As the story unfolds, the journey through adversity is vividly portrayed through a gradual shift in color tones. The warm glow of morning light sets a hopeful beginning, enveloping the characters in a sense of possibility. As challenges arise, the palette subtly transitions, mirroring the emotional weight and complexity of their experiences. By evening, cool hues dominate the scene, reflecting moments of introspection and resilience. This visual progression not only marks the passage of time, but also symbolizes the evolving emotional landscape faced by the characters. Through each phase, the changing light underscores both the hardships endured and the growth achieved along the way. In this pivotal moment, emotions run high as love and loyalty rise above every challenge. The characters, having faced countless obstacles, now stand united, their bonds stronger than ever. Through tears and heartfelt words, they reaffirm their commitment to one another, proving that perseverance can overcome even the darkest times. The atmosphere is charged with intensity, each gesture and glance carrying profound meaning. As the scene unfolds, viewers are reminded of the enduring power of hope and the importance of never giving up. This emotional climax resonates deeply, leaving a lasting impression that lingers long after the story ends. As we reach the end of this journey, we are reminded of the unwavering strength found in true love and loyalty. Through every challenge and moment of doubt, these bonds have proven to be a guiding force, illuminating even the darkest paths. The story stands as a testament to perseverance, showing that hope can endure when fueled by genuine connection. No matter the obstacles, holding on to what truly matters can transform adversity into triumph. The central message remains clear: never give up, even when the odds seem insurmountable. In the face of hardship, it is our faith in love and loyalty that carries us forward.